Hello and welcome back to Scorpio Tech. In this video we're going to be taking a look at a keycap from one of the leading artisan keycap manufacturers. Adding artisan or custom keycaps to your keyboard is a great way to make it unique and to give it that extra personal touch. And whilst typically quite expensive, the artisan keycaps showcase incredible craftsmanship and quality. At least this is definitely the case with Dwarf Factory. They not only take incredible care with the keycap production, but also with the unboxing experience overall. The keycap is beautifully packaged and includes 2 rubber finger gloves, a user guide, a great craft paper box, and of course the well protected artisan keycap in the centre. Dwarf Factory offer 2 profiles for this set, which include the SA profile and also the Dom profile, which is Dwarf original made, so that choice is a preference depending on how you would like your keycap displayed. The keycaps are also made to fit Cherry MX switches and all of its clone varieties, so it's going to fit on the majority of most standard keyboards, but obviously it's worth checking this before ordering. Dwarf Factory were kind enough to send out this incredible rubber duck superhero artisan appropriately named SuperQuack from their collection of 6 Quacktors, which are on screen right now. The keycaps typically run in group buys, but there are frequent collections to keep your eye out for, and I'd highly recommend just browsing their website anyway, because their work is absolutely stunning. Of course, all the relevant links will be down in the description box, so make sure to go and check them out. So this particular keycap is in the SA profile for row 1 and is admittedly the first artisan that I've ever owned, but I have got to say that the quality is absolutely incredible. The attention to detail is magnificent for something so small, and I definitely think I'll be getting some more of these to add to my collection in the near future. It's just such a great way to spice up your keyboard whilst maintaining that full functionality. However, Dwarf Factory do offer all kinds of unique keycaps such as burgers, dragons, pastries, waffles, and all kinds of other weird and wonderful ideas. Obviously, installing the keycap is going to be easy so long as you have compatible switches, although because it is such a precise fit, the manual does mention that you may need to drop your keycap into some hot water to allow the plastic to expand before fitting it to your keyboard. However, I didn't have any of these issues at all, and the keycap fits firmly and perfectly onto my red switches without any keycap wobble. Overall, although the price might seem quite high from an outsider's perspective, the quality of the craftsmanship and the packaging really make this more than just adding any old keycap onto your keyboard. They can truly transform your keyboard into something personalised and eye-catching. Dwarf Factory have made a lasting impression on me, and I'd easily recommend them to you if you're in the market for some themed artisan keycaps. So that pretty much wraps up this short video. I really hope you all enjoyed watching, and as always I'd love to invite you over to my tech Discord server where I'll be doing a keyboard giveaway in the coming few weeks. Thank you all for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.